My name is Bridget Fozzie and I'm in the Welding Technology program. I came into this shop because most girls don't follow up in welding and I really enjoy welding.
Some things we learn in this shop are stick welding, TIG welding, and MIG welding.
This shop prepares us for pipe welding, CNC operating, and underwater welding.
After graduation, I plan on being an independent welder in the welding industry.